if you will, choose your pie and hold it over your head. Do not break the pie. Gentlemen, the rules of the competition are very, very simple.
It's open to anybody, but I mean, we'd like to keep the trophy in Wigan. I think it's only right a Wigin-er wins it. We do let foreigners, you know, from Bolton, St Helens and places like that come along. You know, if they come from Yorkshire, as long as they've got a passport, I don't mind them entering. But those other people, they don't know how to eat pies. It's, you know, it's really a Wigan competition, to be truthful. I think the best technique for shoving it down your neck is to squeeze the pie, get it in your hands and was it in your gob and get 8 in. Simple.
After the count of 3 and get 8 in, you start. 3, 2, 1, get 8 in!
Go on, Jane, in your ball, cunt. No. Already.
Yeah, don't spill any, lads. Don't let it.
Come on, Jane, lad. Get that in. Go on, Jane, get it in. Come on, Jane. What would I? Jane, you get swallowing that pie, lad. You ain't winning that pal, get it. Get it in that cup, lad. Come on. Come on, Jane. Come on, Jane, lad.
Get it all in one, that.
Get it in one.
Put it in your pocket after.
Come on, Jane.
It's an empty note, remember.
Come on, sing it back.
Last bite,
That's fitting. Come on, get it in. Get it in, quick.
Hand it in the air when you're empty. Michael's got to be empty.
Come on, Jane. You're done.
Get in the back here. Get in the back.
This guy over here.
Yeah.
Bullshit! This one here!
Remarks. Excellent. Right.
You get a free drink now.
Have you got any gravy?
I opened my gullet. There might have been a little bit that dropped on the floor, but I didn't plan that. I pushed it in as fast as I could, and chewed it as fast as I could. Wasn't easy.
This one, it's recreating the whole moment there. Right, okay, and if you can just... Oh, if you just swing around this way, so we're all over here now.
You want a fresh pie, all right?
We need a fresh
Yeah,
pie.
yeah.
Go on.
I'm happy with that.
Yeah, happy with that.
Competition's quite good.